thank you for clicking play, and welcome to a new little project that I'm busy starting off. I've been putting a lot of thought into it, and it's going to be a YouTube channel based around riverside falconry and riverside bushcraft and adventure. Do a lot of social media posting, and I've decided, I've been sort of pushed by some of my learners into going into YouTube, and what I want to do is videos, short videos, long videos of more of a video diary. I will make it clear that the videos that I will be posting aren't tutorials. They're not going to be how-tos or anything like that. It's just how I do my things, how I have learned and it's my style basically. It's not right, it's not wrong, but it works for me, and that'll be in both falconry and bushcraft. The videos that I do want to try and upload, or I'm going to upload, will just be done on iPhone, so not going to be cinematic marvels, anything like that, and it's going to be in a thick Geordie accent, so I'll apologise for that if you cannot understand us. The videos that I want to get out there, the sort of content that we're looking at is falconry. It's going to be based around falconry and working with birds of prey. It's going to be wild camping videos. We've got a lot of trips and a lot of nights out planned in all different styles of camp, sort of tents, hammocks, shelter building, so anything based around that. It will be as well cooking videos. I love to do a bit of cooking outdoors, not on an oven in the house. It's fires. I like cooking on fires and different styles of cooking outdoors. So I'll be cooking loads and loads of stuff outdoors, not just pot noodles. And we will be doing a lot of quite a bit of hunting videos, so we'll give you a heads up on that. I will put warnings on. We'll do hawking, so it'll be hunting with the birds, and it'll be fishing, it'll be ferreting, and then on top of that, I'll just be little adventures with my dog, and like I say, short reels and longer videos. And the idea is just a video diary. It's not, like I say, a how-to. It's just a video diary around what I do at work and in my spare time. So I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you can subscribe to the channel. Every little subscription is going to help, and it's going to give us that little bit of incentive to want to push along. The more players we'll get, the more play times we'll get, the more videos I'll feel confident in posting. But I have got quite a lot of content that I want to get through. I've got hours and hours and hours of video already saved, so there's a lot there to post, and I have got quite a lot of inspiration just going into work and doing what we do at Riverside. So please give it a subscribe, comment whether that's good or bad. You know, I don't mind. I've got tough skin. If you think I'm doing something wrong, you can tell us. But I just hope you enjoy what we're posting. It gives you a little insight into what we do at Riverside. Thanks.